In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to track MailChimp in Google Analytics step by step so you can connect your email marketing data and start measuring your traffic more effectively. This is a really useful setup if you want to understand where your subscribers are coming from, how your campaigns are performing, and how MailChimp fits into your overall analytics strategy. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to MailChimp. Sign in using the account that you want to connect to Google Analytics. Make sure you're logging into the correct MailChimp account, especially if you manage more than one workspace or brand, because the integration needs to be connected to the right account from the start. Once you're inside the MailChimp dashboard, look for the integration section. This is where MailChimp keeps all of the available third-party apps and services that can connect with your account. Depending on your layout, you may need to check the menu or settings area to find it, but once you do, you'll be in the right place to continue. Now use the search bar inside integrations and type Google Analytics. If you don't see the full name right away, you can also try typing Analytics. MailChimp should display the Google Analytics integration in the search results. Click on it to open the integration page. Before you connect anything, take a moment to review the information on the integration page. This helps you understand what the connection does and what kind of access MailChimp is requesting. It's always a good idea to confirm you're selecting the official Google Analytics integration before moving forward. When you're ready, click Connect to begin linking MailChimp with Google Analytics. At this point, you may be redirected to a Google sign-in page if you're not already signed in. This is completely normal, so don't worry if you see that extra login step. Next, choose the Google account that has access to the Google Analytics property you want to use. This part is important because the account must already have the correct permissions for the Analytics property you plan to connect. After selecting the right account, click Continue. Google will now show you the permissions that are being requested. Review them carefully so you know exactly what access is being granted. If everything looks good, click Continue or Allow to authorize the connection. Once you approve it, MailChimp will verify the connection and establish the integration. After the setup finishes, you'll be sent back to MailChimp. Now check that the Google Analytics integration shows as connected. That confirmation is your sign that the setup worked properly and that MailChimp is now linked with Google Analytics. At this point, you've successfully connected MailChimp to Google Analytics, which gives you a much better way to track and analyze your marketing activity. Going forward, this can help you make smarter decisions about your campaigns, your traffic sources, and your audience behavior. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.